Hey you guys, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna find out just how loud my Soul Performance exhaust really is. Let's go check it out. Hey you guys, welcome back. So since installing my Soul Performance valved exhaust last week, I've had quite a few people ask me just how loud is it really? And of course there are two settings. There is the exhaust with the valve off, which is much more discreet and refined. And then there's, or closed should I say, and then there's the setting where you open the valves, and that is the sort of curb or track, you know, kind of real sort of racing car kind of sound, and is obviously a lot louder. But just how loud is it? Well, what I have with me today is a trusty decibel reader. Testing, testing. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. And I'm gonna put it behind the car and we're gonna see what the engine sounds like on startup with the valves closed. And then we'll give it a rev to 2000 RPM and then up to 4000 RPM. And then we'll do the same with the valves open. The idling 2000, 4000 RPM, just to give you an idea for how loud this is. Now, although I don't have my stock exhaust here to compare it to, I know that from other research that I did before getting the Soul Performance exhaust was that the stock exhaust on engine startup and idling sort of sits at around 80 to 85 decibels. So we've got that as a sort of pseudo benchmark to compare against. But let's get in the car, let's fire it up, and let's just see how much sound this thing puts out. So there you have it. So if the assumption is right that the stock exhaust idles at around 80 to 85 decibels, you can see there from the video, not that it's particularly scientific, but still, just to give you a rough idea, with the valves closed, you're looking at around 19 to 95 decibels, which is an increase of approximately 10 decibels. And that's consistent with what I've seen from other sources. And then at 2000 RPMs, it sort of goes just over 100 decibels. And then 4000 RPMs, maybe 105, 110 decibels, all with the valves closed. And then with the valves open, idling is about the same, around 95 to 100 decibels. 2000 RPM, you're looking at about 110, 115, and then 4000 RPM. I think the biggest the highest value there I saw was in the sort of 125 kind of range. So not a huge difference according to the decibel meter between the two settings. I'd love to know what that's like actually on the open road. But anyway, for anyone interested in just how loud this exhaust is, I think I can safely say this. It's loud enough to give you a thrill and to sound amazing, but it's not so loud that it's going to piss everyone off around you in your neighborhood or even passengers in the car sat next to you. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this quick video. Hope this answered a few questions, and I'll see you in the next one soon. Take care. Bye.